Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to learn trigonometric ratios. We'll start by defining the three main ratios: sine, cosine, and tangent. Remember the helpful mnemonic SOHCAHTOA to easily recall their formulas. SOH stands for sine, is opposite over hypotenuse. CAH means cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. And TOA reminds us that tangent is opposite over adjacent. Understanding these foundational concepts is key to mastering trigonometry. Let's dive into the sine ratio. Sine is defined as the length of the side opposite the angle divided by the length of the hypotenuse. For instance, if you have a right triangle with an angle of 30 degrees, the sine of that angle would be the opposite side's length divided by the hypotenuse's length. Practice calculating sine for various angles to build your confidence. Next, we explore the cosine ratio. Cosine is calculated by dividing the length of the side adjacent to the angle by the length of the hypotenuse. Imagine a right triangle where you need to find the cosine of an angle. You'll use the adjacent side and the hypotenuse. Consistent practice with different triangle configurations will help you master this ratio effectively. Finally, let's understand the tangent ratio. Tangent is the length of the side opposite the angle divided by the length of the side adjacent to the angle. This ratio is unique because it doesn't involve the hypotenuse. Try solving problems that require you to use all three ratios, sine, cosine, and tangent, to find missing sides or angles in various right triangles. This comprehensive approach will strengthen your skills.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.